Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a demo of custom actions for navigating to the list of active and inactive plugins in WordPress using the keyboard action plugin. As with any action with keyboard action plugin installed, these actions can be invoked in the backend or the front end. I'm now going to first bring up keyboard actions input box by pressing Alt space. And as you can see, there are these actions or commands that you can use to jump to the various places in your WordPress website. Now I'm gonna go to the plugins page. So I type go and then hit space and then start typing plugins PL. So as I start typing, the results list is updated and I can just hit enter now to go to the plugins page. Okay, so as you can see, I've got these two plugins, keyboard action active plugins and keyboard action inactive plugins. These two are custom plugins or custom actions that will add two new entries in the keyboard actions input box to navigate to the list of active and inactive plugins in WordPress. So to go to the list of active plugins, I bring up keyboard actions input box. Again, I'm pressing Alt space and then I start typing active plugins. As you can see the description, it says go to the list of active plugins. I hit enter and that takes me to the list of active plugins. So to go to the inactive, it's similar. I bring up the input box by pressing Alt space and then start typing inactive, and you can see go to the list of inactive plugins. I hit return and that takes me to the inactive plugins page. Okay, that's it.